Hello everyone, welcome to this class. Now in this class I explain you how to convert percentage into fraction and percentage into decimal and decimal into percentage and fraction into percentage and ratio into percentage. Okay. So what is the meaning of percentage? Per means this symbol, cent means 100, means out of 100. Okay, means out of 100. So whenever you want to convert percentage into a number, so you have to divide the number by 100. So let's take one example, that is if I have a number that is 225 percentage. Okay, then I want to convert this number into a fraction. Then how do I convert this one? Because percentage means divide by 100, so it is 225 upon, okay, out of 100. Okay, so now just see this one. So how do you divide this one? As in my last video, here we have either you cut them, because we want to convert them into a fraction, to cut them. So that is again you cut 4s, and this is 9 and 9 upon 4. So this is 9 upon 4. In this way you can convert percentage into a fraction. Okay, or you convert this into a improper fraction. This is 4 2s are 8, 2 is here, and 1 this one you write down. This is equivalent to 2 1 by 4. Okay, now let's take one more example. Now the another question is 3 1 by 8 percentage. This time again you convert percentage into a fraction, or you convert this. Just see this one. First you convert this fraction into a number. Just 8 into 3 is equal to 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 24 plus 1 is equivalent to 25. See this one, 25 upon okay, percentage. Now again you want to remove percentage symbol. So how do you remove? So by 25 upon 8 divide by 100. So then again 25 upon 8, put the sign of multiplication, and it is equivalent to reciprocal this number. Okay, 25 4s, and it is 1 upon 32. So in this way you can convert percentage into a fraction. Okay, now I explain you how to convert percentage into decimal. Okay, now just start. So the question is 35%. Number is 35%. This time you have to convert into a decimal. So first after removing the percentage symbol, you have to divide the number by 100. So it is 35 upon 100. Because in my last video I explain you, whenever 2 zeros are there in its denominator, okay, then what we do here, just see the 2 zeros are here. So what we do, we assume that decimal is after the number, so it moves left. How many places? 2 places. 2 zeros means 2 places left. So move our decimal 2 places left. This becomes 0.35 and put 1 0 here. So this is equivalent to 0.35. Okay. So in this way you can convert percentage into decimal. Now the next question is, I am taking one more example. The question is 3 upon 4 percentage. This you again convert into decimal. Then how do we convert? Again you divide the number by 100. So here I am writing 3 upon 4 upon 100 into 100. So it is, now first what we do here, first we divide 3 and 4 together. So this is 4. Whenever you divide 4 divided by 3 is equal to 4, put 1 0 here, and it is put decimal here, and 4 7s are 28, and 2 is there. Then again we put 0, and 2 5s are 20. 4 5s are 20 and it is 0.75. It is 0.75 upon 100. Now again you remove the 100 from here. So two zeros are here, so put our 0, 2 places left. So put one more 0 here, decimal is here. So 1 place and then 2 place. It reaches here and then it is 0.0075. So this is the way to write the answer. Okay. Next I explain you how to convert decimal number into a percentage. Okay. So let's take one example, that is 1.25. Okay, this time we want to convert this decimal number into a percentage. Then how do I convert? As I told you, for the conversion of decimal to percentage, we multiply the number by 100, because this time we are multiplying. Whenever percentage to fraction or decimal, we divide it by 100. Okay, and whenever percentage to number to percentage, then we multiply it by 100. Okay, so now this time we are multiplying, because we are converting number to percentage, and decimal number because we are multiplying it by 100. So whenever we are multiplying, we shift our decimal to 2 places right, because this time we are multiplying. So it is okay. So this is equivalent to 125. Decimal reach that percentage answer. So in this way you can calculate. Okay. So now let's take one more example, that is 0.068. This time again we have a decimal number. Then what to do again? Again we multiply it by 100 and decimal shifted to 2 places right. So this is equivalent to 1 place and then 2 place, and this is equivalent to 6.8%. This is the answer. Okay. Here I have one fraction, that is 1 by 2. Here we have to convert this into a percentage. Then again we do the same thing. Again we multiply 2 into 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3. That is 3 upon 2. For the conversion into a percentage, we multiply it by 100. So can we cut these two numbers? Because we can write here 1. So we can cut 2 50s and 5 3s are 50, 150%. So in this way you can convert fraction into a percentage. Okay. Now I explain you how to convert ratio into a percentage. You have a number that is 9:125. Then how do you convert this into a percentage? The same thing we apply here. This we can write 9 upon 125. Now this becomes in fraction. This comes in a fraction. So again we multiply it by 100. Upon 1 we can write. So 25 5s and 25 4s. So that is equal to 9 4s 36 upon 5%. Or you can convert this into fractions or decimals also. So in this way you can calculate the answer. Okay. Explain you percentage means out of 100. Suppose there is one boy who scored 20 marks out of 100. So we can say he got 20% marks. But if we want to find that he is getting, now I am saying a boy is getting, now I am saying a boy got 25% marks of 200. Then how do we calculate? Just tell me, 25% marks of 200, out of 200. Then how do we find? Just see this one. If I am saying 25% of out of 100, then we can say he got 25 marks. Okay, but if I am saying 25% marks out of 200, then it means he got 50 marks. Then how do we find? You understand my meaning? Now just see, how do we solve this one? Suppose we have a question that is 18% of 340. Then how do we find 18% of 340? So first thing is that first we convert percentage into a fraction. Then how do we remove percentage symbol from here? As I explained you just now, remove by dividing it by 100. Of means multiplication and write down 340 here, and nothing is here, so we can write 1 here. Can we remove, can we cut them? Yes, we can cut them. Now solve it. We multiply them, 612 upon 10. Now write it down, shift the decimal, there is no decimal here, so we assume it here and shift it to one place right, so answer will be 61.2. So the answer is 61.2. So in this way you can calculate the answer. Okay. Thank you everyone. Thank you class.